All right. I am inside my Excel spreadsheet, and over here at C2, I have keyed in this formula, which uses the OR function. So I need either A2 is greater than 50 or B2 is greater than 50. So I need both of these or either one. So if either one of it is greater than 50, I will put a pass. Otherwise, I'll put a fail. And of course, now both of them are zero, that's why it's a fail. But if any one of them is greater than 50, you can see it become a pass. Right, so if this one is zero, it's a fail. This one will be a pass. But if both of them are greater than 50, it will still be a pass because or means either one or both. So the only way to get the fail is if both of them are 50 or below. So if both of them are 50, 50 is not greater than 50, they will get the fail.